Don't want people knowing you viewed their TikTok profile? Worried others can see when you watch their posts? Here's how to turn off viewer history instantly. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make social media apps and tech tutorials simple and beginner-friendly. Step 1. First, launch the TikTok app on your smartphone. Tap the profile icon located in the bottom right corner. This will open your personal account page and profile settings. Step 2. Once you're on your profile page, look at the top right corner. Tap the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. This menu gives access to your TikTok account settings and controls. Step 3. Inside the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section contains all major account management and privacy options. Here, you can control how your activity appears to other users. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. We upload simple TikTok tutorials, app guides, and smartphone tips to help you master your favorite apps. Step 4. Next, tap the privacy option inside Settings. The privacy section manages visibility of your profile activity and interactions. This is where TikTok controls the viewer history feature. Step 5. Scroll down through the privacy settings carefully. Look for the option labeled Viewers. Tap this option to manage the viewer history settings. Step 6. Find the toggle switch labeled Viewer History. Tap the switch to turn the feature off. Once disabled, your profile visits and post views will no longer be visible. Step 7. Viewer history works mutually between users on TikTok. If you disable it, you also won't see who viewed your profile or posts. But other users will no longer know when you view their content. Now you know exactly how to disable viewer history on TikTok and keep your activity private. If you want to learn more TikTok tricks like privacy settings, hidden features, and account growth tips, check out the next tutorial on Preyo Phonie. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.